Are you renting a vehicle to do Uber in and you're still not making any more money than you did last week? I got some comments and I'm going to tell you why. All right. My name is Daddy-O. Hang with me to the end of this video, especially if you're doing a rental, Uber rental, to do your Uber in and you're not making any more money or doing any more than you were last time when you personal car. Let me explain to you what I think is going on here. Hang with me, all right? Subscribe, ring the bell, do the thumbs up, do all that kind of stuff. Help the old man out. I have figured this out, why some people just can't seem to make money. They're kind of negative anyway. I'm going to read a comment here from a person. Now, I'm not going to mention the person's name in this video or their handle here. But I want to tell you what, I've gotten several comments over a period of time from this one individual. And you can tell what's going on here. I can, just in the 3 different comments I got on one video from this individual. Now, he went and rented a vehicle to do his Uber in. And I'm going to tell you how much he said he's made versus how much he's spending to rent the vehicle, okay? I got a comment on about the same period of time, within a week or so, on the video. And it says, hardly any tips. That was just it. Not making no tips. The next comment I got was people don't talk. All right? No tips. People don't talk. Then the last comment I got from him was $395.65. First week earnings with an Uber rental. Rental is $382 a week. So by his figures, he made $13, just over around $13 that week by renting a vehicle, more than he did when he wasn't. Slim pickings here. We will see how it goes this week. I haven't heard back from him since, I don't think. But if you're doing $395 a week in your personal car, or just that's what you're doing, you're not working it. All right? So the fact that you're going to say hardly any tips, you're not working the system. I've explained to so many times on here. I did a video kind of about it yesterday, I think it was. There are ways to make money doing Uber. All right? If you're not making no tips, if you're not, don't have the ability to talk to your people, if you don't have the ability to make your car smell good, if you don't have the ability to keep it clean, if you don't have some of those things in your toolbox, you're not going to make it. No matter if I could put you in if you were to, the same people that are that kind of negative are not working it. They're just, I'll say it, lazy. All right, it has to be. All right, I could put you in an Uber XL. All right, and you still be complaining because you're not making no money because you're not doing certain things. You can just go rent you a rental. Go back and do the same thing you've been doing every day. You're taking, that's your. No, that's not what a rental is all about. A rental is to get out and work. All right, you can go out and make some money. All right, just don't do what you've done in the past. You take care of certain things. Now, I guess some people just because they want to just go out and say I'm an Uber driver, and you got to do certain things. Let's get into it. Storefront. I haven't talked about this for a while. This is, if you're doing a rental or your personal vehicle, when you're out Ubering, you're driving your business around. All right. Treat this damn thing as a business. This is not just to go out and, hey, I'm an Uber driver, I'm going to go out and make me $20 today. I'm going to go out and maybe 30. If you're that kind of attitude that you just want to go out and make you $50 today and whatever, and you've had a good day and that's your Uber day, you may want to find something else to go do. But if that's working for you, go do it. I'm not going to complain. But if you go out and make the effort to rent you a vehicle, you're stepping up from the personal car. You're advancing your money income abilities by leaps and bounds. It's not just to go out and say, oh, the people aren't tipping me. If you're not getting tips, if you're in a rental vehicle and you're not getting good tips, all right, if you're not doing that right, you're just not playing my games. You know, there's so many of them to play, but you got to go and take care of certain things along the way. So just don't go out and grab your rental vehicle and say, hey, I got me a rental vehicle, okay, and you just keep on doing what you've been doing. No. It's time to step it up. It's time now. Let's make the effort to go make some money, you know. And I can go down the list for you real quick. If you're new here, subscribe, ring the bell. I'm going to show you this kind of stuff. I'm going to help you make more money when you're doing Uber. I've been doing this a hell of a long time. I even got questioned earlier. There was on another comment somewhere else. Let's see here. He's bragging. If you got to brag that you're a 5.0 Uber driver, you must be lying. Something along that line. All right. I have proved on this channel I am a 5.0 with right at 11,000 Uber rides. Okay. I've been doing this a moment. I have learned to play games to make money. So don't just go out and rent you a vehicle and say, okay, play the same game you've done in the past. Step it up. Step it up. Make the effort to make more, to do more. And I've told you, you're not, when you're doing Uber, now I can only imagine that this individual, because he's not getting no tips, all right, and he's paying that kind of money, he's not playing any kind of game. He's just out there doing the same old thing he's done in the past, all right? If you have and I've got people on this channel, you can go look at the comments. There are people that have commented about how it's increased their income, all right? But you got to make the effort. You got to do the little things along the way. The clean car. New car, it's easy to do that with when you got a rental. Smell. Biggie. We can hit on that. I'm changing up. I'm trying out some new stuff right now. Where's my thing at? I'm trying out something new now. It's a different flavor. Never tried this one before. It's kind of mellow. It's kind of nice. So we'll see how that one works. But I have always in the past used, because I'm going to get comments, the Febreze Honey Hula Gain. All right. Honey Hula Gain, Honey Berry Gain. That's something like that. Anyway, you can find that. Look, play the right music, do the right things, and you will not be the same. So if you're out here and you're just going, oh, I'm only doing the same, I'm not making any more money, but out here I am renting a vehicle and it's not working for me, that just tells me you're not playing the games. You're just doing the same old. You're not treating it as a business. This is your business. Keep your receipts. Take advantage of all the benefits. I've got videos on here that'll talk you through all that stuff. How to take the deductions that you are entitled to. Look, you want to make money. I believe, because I've been doing it so long, I've been doing a rental for over 3 years consistently, if you don't know. I believe that without a doubt, because I've proved it to myself and there's others that are proving it too, you will make more money when you rent a vehicle to do your Uber in. Not only will you make more money, but it allows you to set your other personal vehicle to the side. You don't have to worry about the repo that I've done videos on here if they find out that you're doing rideshare. You don't have to worry about a whole lot of things, all right? So to me, the benefits that come along with the rental is so outweighs any other problems that you may want to have. But when I get comments like this telling me they're not getting no tips, it's just not happening for them, because it tells me they're just working the same old thing they've done in the past. I could take this same individual, put them in an Uber XL, and they're going to complain to me that they're not making any tips. All right? I don't know what they do when they get the people in the car, but if you greet them the right way and your car is presentable in the right way, you will make more money. I don't care. I've been doing it too freaking long. All right. So it gives me a chuckle. I'll say that again, a laugh when I get comments like that. But when I get a comment like that, that's from one person. Of all the videos that I have on here, there are other people that might be thinking the same thing. So I have to address it in some way to say, no, don't tell me that it don't work. And other people, because people are out. That's why some people can't find a vehicle when they go to try to rent one to go do Uber, because they're all taken up. You know, I've told it before. In my area, the last I heard from my people, there are 13 of us on their list that's been doing this for over 3 years consistently. Hasn't been out of a vehicle. They let me know that there are 13 on their list right now for 3 years. Now, there may be some that are 4 and 5 years. This project, this Uber marketplace has been going on for a while. So there are people that are using this program to make more money. All right? And I'm not the only one. So you have to laugh at when you get comments like this. I'm not making no tips. Well, damn it, you're not playing the game. You're not doing it right. All right? Anyway, Daddy-O is going to let you go for right now. You guys have a good afternoon, good evening. Daddy-O is out. Bye.